Hey guys, welcome to a new tutorial. Today I'll be drawing Princess Peach from Super Mario. Okay, let's first start off by zooming in on the head. We will start with a small curve near the top here for the left eye. Next, draw the upper eyelid by drawing another kind of curve. Then from here go a little diagonally and draw her right eye with the same process. But it would be slightly bigger than the previous one. Now repeat the line under the upper eyelid in both eyes. Next, draw a semi-oval in the left eye. And an oval in the right one. And then inside, let's draw another circle curve, and then on the top left, draw a small circle. Repeat the same process in the right eye. Next, let's move down in the center and draw a V-shaped curve for the nose. Now let's add 6 eyelashes on each eye. And color both of the eyelids in black. Now below the nose, draw a distorted W-shaped curve for the mouth. And above it, let's draw a curve for the upper lip. And then one more curve for the lower lip. Now let's go to the middle between the eyes and let's draw two curves up, forming a V-shaped curve for the hair. Now starting from below the lip, draw a curve going up to join the hairline. Draw a small box here. Now draw a straight line above it. Now let's add the earring on the side. Now let's work on her hair. I'm going to draw a straight line first and then 3 zigzags. So one strand right here, and there's gonna be another strand that goes up and then comes back to here. So one more and bring it right back to here. Now let's draw a point here in the center. From that point we are gonna go up and start drawing the top of her hair. Now step up from the bottom and let's draw an angle line out and turn left at the end. Now starting from here, draw another curve to complete the bottom of the face. Now draw the strand over here. Let's draw 2 small lines for the neck. Now starting from middle of this strand, let's draw the ear. Next, underneath draw a semicircle for the earring. Now let's complete the hair. Now let's work on the crown right now, and we are going to draw an oval right in the center. I'm in a big curve. Let's come to the side right here with another curve. Now let's draw her collar. So I'm going to come in here with 4 small curves. And then another curve that pops out and angle it in. Next draw the sleeve, so let's go up. And then complete it from the other side. Now make an oval right here for the jewel of her dress. Next, draw 2 small curves in both sides of the jewel of her body and connect it to the sleeve. Now step up from here and draw an angle line out and back down at the end. And there's gonna be another strand that goes up from here and one more. Okay. And let's come to the top right here before I forget. Just draw a little curve right at the top and another kind of a small curve for the brows. Now we can go ahead and draw top of the crown. So I'm going to come right here and finish drawing the crown. And I think that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe and turn on your notification bells so you won't miss my new videos. See you later.